Hello everyone. Today we'll start with the plateaus. A plateau or a tableland is a highland with a flat top. It rises abruptly from the surrounding land, so it has steep slopes. Many rivers and streams flow through plateaus. Now let's see. Here, what they are telling, they said a plateau or a tableland. Why do we call it a tableland? Suppose I'll show you a table here. I'm standing in a class. Suppose this is the plain area, and when we reach to a table, suppose this is a land only, so it seems like a tableland. That is why it seems like a table. Plateau जो है वो table like structure होता है. That is why it is known as a tableland. Then it is high land with flat top. High land, it is higher than the base. Normal plain area से high है, but it has flat top. It's not necessary it will be flat like this, but it is a flat top. The image which I showed you, you can see in this, the plain areas, it is the highland, seems like a table and with flat top. So it has steep slopes. Sometimes it has steep slopes and many rivers and streams flow through it. N number of rivers flow through it. Some plateaus are very large and extend over hundreds of kilometers. Some plateaus are there which extend up to 100 of kilometers. इतने बड़े होते हैं कि 100 किलोमीटर तक की डिस्टेंस को कवर करते हैं. For example, the Deccan Plateau in India is an example. Deccan Plateau in India, it is an example. The Tibet Plateau is the largest and the highest in the world. जो Tibet Plateau है पूरे वर्ल्ड में, that is the largest plateau in the world. It is surrounded by mountain ranges on all sides. Tibet Plateau is surrounded by mountain ranges. Other examples are Colorado Plateau in the North America and Bolivian Plateau in South America. Most plateaus are in dry regions and on the leeward side of the mountains. Maximum plateaus are in dry regions. जितने भी plateau हैं वो maximum जो है वो dry region में है, as well as on the leeward side. Now let's see what is this leeward side. I sent you the glossary. If you have seen, the side of a mountain that is sheltered from winds, it gets very little rainfall. Mountain का वो side which get very little rainfall, which receive very little rainfall, is known as leeward side. So maximum plateaus are situated in dry region or leeward side. Why leeward side? Because they receive little rainfall. Due to high altitude, the climate is cold and the growing season is short. Due to high altitude, as the plateaus are high, plains से higher area पे हैं, it is known as highland also. So due to high altitude, the climate of those region is cold. उन Deccan region उन plateau region का climate जो है वो cold होता है and the growing season is short. As the climate is cold, the growing season, production season जो है वो short होता है. Many plateaus have deep canyons and on their surface, and the Grand Canyon in the Colorado Plateau is an example. Now see, the last point which they said, many plateaus have deep canyons on their surface. Now let's see what is canyons. A deep valley with steep sides made of rocks. Here in your book only it is given a valley which has steep sides covered with rocks. And the Grand Canyon is the Colorado Plateau is an example. Now they have given some importance also. Plateaus have importance also. So plateaus have grassland on which cattle and sheep are reared, and some plateaus are rich in mineral deposits.